to start the day. Come a habit, our way to start the day.